Commuting is a hassle, and many people struggle with finding best transportation option. Whether it's navigating public transit schedules, dealing with traffic, or paying for parking, getting from BMS College to Vega City Mall can be stressful and time consuming.
One of the biggest problems in commuting is affordability. The cost of commuting can be a significant burden on those with low incomes, leading to financial stress and hardships. Secondly, delays, another major problem, whether caused by traffic congestion, accidents, or other factors. Delays can lead to missed appointments, lost productivity, and frustration. Long wait times for buses or trains can be exasperating, especially in inclement weather or during rush hour. In addition, wait times can be unpredictable, leading to uncertainty and stress. On top of that, modes of transportation are also not well connected, making it very difficult for commuters to transfer between different modes of transportation.
Are you tired dealing with all of this? Yes, we are, but look no further, for we present you CommuteEase, an app that simplifies your commute. Our cutting edge app provides you with a seamless and stress free experience from start to the finish.
Hey, what is CommuteEase? Another Ola or Uber?
Well, CommuteEase is an app that maps your journey by connecting you to all possible modes of transport available to you and selecting the best according to your comfort and priority. In a world where every moment counts, CommuteEase is here to make your daily commute an experience worth cherishing. The ultimate multimodal commuting app that promises to revolutionize the way you travel, CommuteEase is the answer to all your commuting woes. Take a look what features CommuteEase delivers to its users.
Number 1, connectivity. CommuteEase will redefine the meaning of connectivity. The app seamlessly connects buses, autos, metros, train, and more. CommuteEase promise you to take daily commute to the next level. With real-time updates and notification, it keeps you informed about the latest travel options available, allowing you to make the most efficient use of your time.
Seamless pre-booking. With just a few taps on your phone, you can now pre-book your modes of transport up to 5 minutes before changing to a different mode, ensuring seamless and stress-free commuting experience. Imagine no longer having to rush to open feature. You can plan your journey in advance and ensure that you arrive at your destination on time every time. Whether you're switching from a bus to a train or a cab to metro, CommuteEase's pre-booking feature has got you covered.
Time is money, but also a penny saved is a penny earned. Don't worry, our app got you covered with its time saver and pocket saver feature. When you are in a rush, time saver option lets you choose the fastest mode available to you. First, our time saver algorithm sorts all the options according to how long they take and how far they are from your location. Then it cross validates the mode using machine learning techniques by predicting traffic patterns based on historical data and weather conditions. But if money is your crunch, Pocket Saver is a powerful feature that helps users save money on transportation expenses by suggesting the most affordable modes of transportation available for your journey. Pocket Saver algorithm adapts to changes in transportation cost, availability, price fluctuation, and new transportation options. The algorithm adjusts its recommendation accordingly.
One of the unique features of CommuteEase is its green score system, which rates each mode of transportation based on its environmental impact. User can easily compare the carbon emissions and environmental impact of each option. Our algorithm utilizes the score and highlights those options that have high green score and then builds your road accordingly. We call this feature as eco route, and by doing this, we subconsciously encourage environmentally beneficial decisions.
Now let us analyze the market breadth. In India, we are still thriving with decades old conventional transportation networks, but we are evolving towards a new India, a self reliant one, and Atmanirbhar Bharat. But to achieve that target, multimodal transportation will play a great role. The multimodal transportation market in India was evaluated at INR 1462.44 billion in 2020. The report also predicts that multimodal transportation market will grow at a compound annual growth rate of 13% from 2021 to 2026. Increasing urbanization has increased the need for cost-effective and efficient transportation. Multimodal transportation model is expected to grow to INR 2675.40 billion, approximately US dollars 35.8 billion by 2026.
The integration of transportation mode within a bustling city like Bangalore can be a game changer, and success of this idea heavily depends upon the execution. A good execution strategy can mean the difference between the app being just another addition to the already crowded app market or becoming the transformative force in this industry. To successfully execute this idea, we have divided our strategy into 4 steps.
Identifying target customers and demand, conducting market research, conducting surveys and focus groups, creating detailed customer personas based on demographics and behaviors. This way, we can identify our first 500 potential customers and quantify the demand in Bengaluru. Step 2. Then comes our most crucial step, that is, establishing partnerships with a variety of stakeholders, including transportation providers and government agencies.
Being a first mover in the domain of multimodal transportation, we have got an opportunity to develop a strong brand identity. To do that, social media is an excellent way to generate excitement and attract new users by creating buzz about our product. Email marketing is also an effective way to communicate with our audience.
At last, testing, refining, and scaling. We will test it thoroughly to identify and fix any bugs or usability issues. We can test our app using focus groups, beta testing, and user testing. We can use analytics and user feedback to refine our app's features and improve its usability. We can use analytics tools to track user behavior and identify which features are popular and which are not. As our app gains popularity and the user base grows, we will then scale our infrastructure to ensure it can handle the increased traffic. A cloud based infrastructure service can be used to scale our new app's infrastructure as needed. Now we are going to demonstrate our proposed app prototype. The first page on Startup gives you the option to either log in for registered users and the option to sign up for the new users. The new user, after registration and verifying their email ID, they will be redirected to the login page where they will enter their credentials and login. Here comes our main app body. It gives the users the option to directly choose their preferred mode of transport from the list or just enter their destination in the search bar, and we will provide them with all the possible journey routes available.
Now, after entering the destination, our app will suggest the users the available options. We provide the users two specialized options, time saver route color coded in blue and pocket saver route color coded in orange. The time saver is usually the mode of transport which consumes the least time. Here we have two options available. One is the electric cab, another is the conventional cab. Electric cabs have been offered as they are eco-friendly and more affordable. Now coming on to the cost effective part, it provides the users the most affordable route. The user will be initially recommended an auto rickshaw. After confirming the booking, our algorithm will prompt the auto drivers nearby, and after the auto driver confirms, it will be prompted to the user with all the driver credentials and the ride OTP. After the OTP is punched by the driver, it signifies that the journey has begun and the user will be provided the QR code of the driver in the app, and the user can pay by UPI or by cash upon journey completion.
When it is 5 minutes to destination, the user will receive an alert about the next mode in the app to minimize the intermediate delays in switching mode of transportation. The user will be given the route and the price of metro, and the booking will be done online. Our app's backend will call the WhatsApp Bengaluru Metro Booking Bots API and will book the user's ticket internally and will provide the user a QR ticket to be produced at the metro station. The online pre-booking will ensure that the user does not have to wait in long lines. At the second last metro station, the user will be again prompted about the next mode of transport and the option to end the journey there itself. The user will also get the option to change the mode of transport in between the journey. The user will now book the auto and the similar process will be repeated.
After the ride is complete, the user will get the feedback form to rate the journey. Our algorithm is entirely based on the user's reviews and will improve our route searching algorithm based on the ratings given by the user. Now let's talk about our revenue model. First is ad revenue. Ad revenue model can be an effective way to generate revenue while providing added value to our users. We would incorporate the same into our app by displaying post-roll ads. We will also partner with transportation related companies to create sponsor content such as articles or videos that align to our app's mission. Second is data licensing. Implementing a data licensing model to our app could be a potential source of revenue. Our app would collect data on user behavior such as travel patterns, preferred mode of transportation, or routes taken. This data would be anonymized and aggregated to protect users' privacy. We would enter into licensing agreements with these third party organizations such as transportation companies, urban planners, or advertisers, allowing them to access and use the data for their own purposes. These agreements would include terms and conditions that protect users' privacy and limit the use of data to specific purposes. Third is implementing partnership model. Implementing a partnership revenue model in the initial stages of our app could be a strategic way to generate revenue while also leveraging the strengths and resources of other organizations. Fourth is white label model. In some stages, we might need to pivot our product and we can adopt a white label model involving partnering with a transportation company or an onward planner or other related business to provide them with our algorithm and make customized version of our app. So this was our multimodal transportation model. We are Team SAV. I am Subarna Maji.
I am Akash Manna.
I am Vivek Malik. We are first year undergraduate students from IIT Kharagpur. Thank you.